Hi, my name is Barton Seaver. I'm a chef and an author, and thank you for joining me today to learn a little bit about a technique for cooking seafood called shallow poaching. This is a great way to get seafood on your family's table more often. Shallow poaching is a technique that works for just about any type of seafood, with the exception of steak fish like tuna or swordfish, but salmon, flounder, or, as I have today, Pacific rockfish are perfect. Shallow poaching is barely submerging the fish in just a little bit of liquid and aromatics. And in this case, I've got diced carrot, and I'm going to add to that a few other garnishes. Now the Pacific rockfish, once it's cooked, and this is only about 6 to 7 minutes or so, real gentle. It's really hard to overcook the fish in this way because you're cooking over super low heat. And all the juice that comes out of the fish, it all ends up in the sauce. Now I'm just going to take what's left over, that liquid there from the fish, a little bit of almonds, a little bit of diced apple, and a little bit of butter. And just stir this together. And basically this is the advantage of shallow poaching, is that you're making the sauce as you're cooking the fish. So thank you for taking the time today to watch this video about shallow poaching seafood. For more information about how to get more seafood onto your family's table more often, go to seafoodnutrition.org.